Welcome back to the channel. This weekend, we'll start working on getting my Super Duty Knuckles, the high steer, get the busted knuckle Kingpin ball joint eliminator kit put in, and we're continuing on with the truss. Stick around, let's get busy. Alright, well first I'd like to apologize for the neighbors and their weed whacker. Of course they've been quiet all morning long just until I start filming, and they've got a leaf blower going. And a little chaos I've got off to the side here is all these crazy guys. Well, there's only two of them. Where's the other one? They're back in the corner. There's two more hiding back there. They're currently wrestling. And all the doggies here. Anyway, started yesterday working on Knuckle. Off the vise here. And I did get the one pin pushed in. I'll show you how I did that when I did the second one. And I'm currently drilling out the steering knuckle to 1 inch for the bolts to go through here, and firing up the plasma cutter today. We'll get these made up so I can get them put on. Obviously this is my high steer. This is actually for the other side, but anyway, that's what we're doing today. Stick around, see how much we can get done. Welcome back. So first thing I can do is take my drawing and convert it into a cut file. So we'll go from design to manufacture, setup, new setup. And that is the last piece for the high steer arms. Or actually, is it? No, you know what? I kind of messed up. You know what? I don't care. Anyways, I actually had the left side and right side with the letter, but you know what? It doesn't matter. That said, we'll knock it out, get them cleaned up, and I'll see you guys outside. Alright, we're outside. Got my pieces out. This is what they look like when they come off the machine. Got all the slag on here that needs knocked off, and then I got to clean up the edges. When we'll get that done, while I do that, I'm going to have my battery recharge on my camera here because it's about ready to die. And I will join you later. Oh, welcome back to the channel. It's late afternoon, early evening here, and it's just starting to cool off. Ever since I took the trees out, I have zero shade over here, and it just gets too hot. So I did order a sail, as they say, that three-sided triangular sail, which I can attach to the house and over to the shed over here to give me some shade. That'll help make things much more comfortable. So I really didn't get a whole lot done today outside of getting a few of the plates prepped up. Still need to clean the slots out, and they need drilled out to size. We'll probably work on these a little further as well. Get those done. Then we'll get the shop vac out and sweep up and clean up. Got some kids coming over for dinner tonight. And one of them is our cousin, and it's his birthday today, so he's going to come over and have dinner with us. So I'm going to clean this mess up. Tomorrow, I think we'll start working on getting the second knuckle prepped up by getting this pressed in and finish drilling these out both. And then midweek, Tuesday or Wednesday, I should have the plates done, cleaned up, and all the spacers cut so I can get this assembled, tacked onto this both sides here of both knuckles. And hopefully this week get those completed. I still got to work on my truss. I didn't get hardly anything done today. Yes, it's just too blessed hot. The heat's it's just no fun working out here. You're staying out here 10 minutes and you're just dripping with sweat. So, for now, this is as far as we're going to get. Pick this up at the shop, and we'll see you next time. Alright, it's Friday morning back at the shop. All our computers are currently down, so I've got a few minutes to tinker with these knuckles here. I already heated this one up and rolled the edge over like I needed to, because this is not square to the knuckle like the other driver's side is. So I'm going to go ahead and weld these up, and then I'll probably chill out for a while and see what happens with the computers until boss gets here and gets everything reset so we can actually get our work done. Meanwhile, I think I'll get this steering arm, or at least the steering high steer, welded up, so stick around. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Took a half day, ran off to the store, got myself another 11 pounds of wire. Now I need to warm this casting up. I'm going to weld the pin first, and once that's done, I will go and heat the knuckle up further, and we'll get the steering arms welded in place. First, we need to get this thing warmed up. So I need my lighter, it's under my phone, really should be in my back pocket, out of my way. So let's warm this up. Panel's open. Good on this side. Starting to get some cracks over here. Wrapped up. Like it. Big wire out of my way. And we'll set her on the floor. Cool off. That's one side. So I'm going to stop the video there. No reason to show you to do it twice. That's how you do high stairs. And the busted knuckle ball joint eliminator, Kingpin ball joint eliminator kit that we have. Anyway, that was the garage. We'll pick it up here at the house this afternoon. See you soon.